Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard language on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to do this, we need to open Settings, then scroll down, go to Additional Settings, choose Languages and Input, and then go to Manage Keyboards, and most likely you want to choose Gboard as this is the default keyboard. Now over here at the top we have Languages, so you can select that option, and then you can press Add Keyboard. You can find the language that you want to add. In my case, it is already in the suggested, so I'm going to choose Polish. Then over here we have some additional options, of course, that you can go through, and then we can press Done. If you want to get rid of the old language, then you can press this pen icon in the top right corner, select the square of next to the language that you want to get rid of, and then press this trash icon once again in the top right corner. Now, in addition to that, let's say we want to use two languages, but you want to switch between them. Then what you can do is, once you have the keyboard opened, you want to press and hold your finger on the spacebar, and then you can choose the language that you wish to use. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!